It's gonna be called Doberman and Rottweiler having a puppy.
Doberman and Rotwiler having a puppy. What's up to it?
Man, I gotta find the male. Because the male always has the female stay on it.
Is that his puppy mate?
Mhm.
Answer the door. There's somebody at the door. Why ain't you answer the door? Hmm. It's time. Come on in.
Big balloon, here we come. 1 week later.
He wasn't in there for a whole week.
Yeah, it's a girl. It's a baby girl. It's a baby girl. That's what he looks like.
When the words come up, don't click it so fast.
Sorry. Alright, post on YouTube.
That's it.
I get to choose the name though.